Hello, my friends. What's going on? Vitai Bean is here, and the first day of the Bitcoin spot ETF is here. There have been around $4.6 billion in trading volume. And what does it mean for the Bitcoin and the crypto markets? Are we seeing a local top developing for Bitcoin as it got rejected severely from the $49,000 at the moment, and where we are heading next? All is in today's show. So let's get started. What we are seeing right now for Bitcoin. Well, we pumped to $48,900, almost $49,000, and we got rejected. We closed actually the day with a big week on to the upside, which indicated perhaps a local top. Now, should you sell your Bitcoin? No, I don't think so, because it is not a good idea to try to time the market when we are in the bull market, and we are in the bull market right now. And when you try to time the market and look for this 10 or 15%, you might lose out on the 200% moves trying to time the market, right? Now, corrections of 10, 15, 20% are normal in any kind of bull market, and it's important to zoom out and understand the bigger picture of where are we right now. Now, before we get to that, so the SEC has approved 11 Bitcoin spot ETF, which now allows institutional investors, pension funds to flow their capital into the spot ETF, which means that Coinbase is gonna custody the coins, the Bitcoins, and institutions has easier way to purchase these ETFs. And we are seeing the 11 spot Bitcoin ETF issuers ranked by day one in volume. We have Grayscale, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK 21 shares, Bitwise, Franklin, Invesco Galaxy, Vanik, Valkyrie, WisdomTree, and Hashdex. Total volume $4.6 billion. Not bad for the first day. And we are seeing that Katie Wood come out, and she's very bullish on Bitcoin. In fact, she's claiming that the bear case is $250,000, the base case is $600,000, the bull case in 2030 is $1.5 million. On that, this is the advanced research tool she used to conduct her analysis. How did she come up with $600,000 price prediction for Bitcoin? I don't think it's gonna happen, and I'll show you clearly today the indicator of how you can look and see where Bitcoin might be topping out in this cycle, but it is not yet. It's not right now. So what's happening right now is we are in a correction, but it's important that we do not lose this support. Here I'm gonna show you this trend line right here. This is an important daily trend line we do not want to lose. So this is right around 43,600. We do not want to see daily candles close below 43,000 and get rejected on it. We don't want to break this support. We want to have this support to close. So far we are on track. We're in a bullish trend. We're just retesting the previous levels of resistance that now turn to support. So it is okay. But look at this. We are right now going down. We're going to see if it's going to test this support. Now, looking at the commercial, before that, I want to show you here. The Bitcoin halving is approaching. It's around 100 days to the Bitcoin halving. And this is where you want to see for the big picture. This is the fourth halving event happening in April 2024. The pre-bull market. This is where we are right now. And the pre-bull market doesn't mean that we are going to pump all the way to the first halving. We can have some correction. It's absolutely normal to have some correction. In fact, it will not surprise me if Bitcoin is gonna shake out and go all the way to $32,000, $33,000, retest these levels before pumping all the way to the previous all-time highs. So get ready. If this is gonna happen, if we are gonna dump to $32,000, $33,000 in this area right here, there will be an epic opportunity to not just pick up more Bitcoin, but to actually pick up other altcoins that also will be crashing, of course, 20-30%. After we have a 4 months, we have the 4 months of running out. I mean, look at this. This is September, we have October, we have November, we have December, absolutely on a tear. Bitcoin was on a tear, going to 49,000. So let's see how we're going to close this month. It's still 19 days. But here's what I would suggest to you to look at the P cycle top indicator. This is the indicator that is unequivocally, undoubtedly, every single time it showed when Bitcoin is peaking out, when is the top, right? So whenever the orange line is crossing the green line, this is where we are seeing the top. So right now we are not there. The orange line didn't cross the green line, so we are in a bullish trend. In a bullish trend, you don't want to be selling. If what you want to do in a bullish trend is you want to be buying more, especially if it goes down. So people need to take a breath here. I see a lot of people stress about the ETF, miners, Coinbase, price action. It's the first day. Things are a bit crazy. People are getting used to this new world. Give things time to settle. The long-term trend is clear. Patience. So that's exactly what I would suggest to you. Patience. And look at this. New Bitcoin ETF commercial just dropped about Bitcoin. Take a look at this commercial. One second. Come on. Let me refresh the page.
The world holds on to old ways until it can't. When Bitcoin was born, it broke that endless cycle. It's not a defiance of finance. Bitcoin may help guard against the government devaluing your money. Finally, you can buy and hold Bitcoin in an ETF with the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, HODL. Search the ticker HODL in your stock trading app today.
Look at this nicely done ad. Bitcoin protecting against the government devaluing your money. That's right. That's exactly right what Bitcoin is doing. So good job, Vanik. And not everybody is supporting the spot ETF. We have Vanguard that says they're gonna not support ETF, and this is like banks trying to slow down access to Bitcoin. It's like trying to stop the ocean and collecting the it's futile, right? Even after the SEC has legitimized it as a product for all investors, some are kind of slowing it down. So I don't know why, right? So we have Vanguard and Merrill Lynch. They will not list the Bitcoin ETF. Why? Why? You're just a platform. I don't understand this. Yeah. So let's see how today is gonna close. Let's see for the short term. I'm not betting on. I'm not shorting. I'm not selling. This long trend is not broken here, and even if it's gonna be broken, I'm gonna be picking up Bitcoin cheaper here, and altcoins as well. It's gonna be a tremendous opportunity because remember, we are in a bull market right now. So always remember that until the fourth quarter of 2025, we are in a bullish trend. We are in a bull market. So that's what you need to understand, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy Friday. I'll see you guys all in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.